Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make new roles for your Discord server. So first of all, open your Discord app on your mobile device and then tap on the three dot next to your server's name and then tap on settings. Now scroll down and then tap on roles. Here you can see all the existing roles. So if you want to create a new role, tap on this plus sign on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now enter the name you want to give the new role. So for now, let's give the new role's name admin. And now you can choose the color of the role. So I'll choose this one right over here. Now you can manage the role settings, such as if you want to display the role separately from the online members, and if you want, you can also make anyone mention this role. So for now, we'll simply leave this unticked. And now you can give this role some general permissions, such as view channel, manage roles, manage emoji and stickers, view audit log, manage webhook, manage server, create invite, change nickname, manage nickname, kick members, ban members, timeout members, send messages in threads, create public threads, create private threads, embed links, attach files, add reactions, use external emojis, use external stickers, mention everyone here and all roles, manage messages, manage threads, read message history, use application command, send TTS messages, and if you want, you can also make the role join voice channels, connect, speak, turn their video on, use voice activity, etc. So you can also give the role administrator permissions and also make the role manage events. Now once you've done all of these, tap on the save on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you will have successfully created a new role on your Discord server. Now to give this role to the people of your server, simply tap on their name, then go to manage user. After that, select the role you want to give the person, and there you have it. You have given the role to the person you want and also created a new role. So that is how you make a new role on your Discord server. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.